Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn a backflip at home. First, prioritize safety by ensuring you have a soft landing surface, like a bed, and plenty of clear space around you. Begin by practicing simple jumps to get comfortable with the motion. Focus on jumping straight up, bringing your knees to your chest, and landing softly. This builds foundational body control and confidence for the backflip. The tuck is crucial for rotation. Practice a powerful arm swing, bringing your arms up and then down to propel you upwards. As you jump, drive your hips up and slightly back. Immediately after leaving the surface, tuck your knees tightly to your chest, grabbing them with your hands. This compact shape significantly increases your rotational speed, making the flip easier. As you rotate, keep your head neutral and look over your shoulder to spot your landing. Maintain that tight tuck until you see the bed coming into view. Once you spot your landing, quickly extend your legs to prepare for impact. Land softly on your feet, bending your knees to absorb the force. Consistent practice will improve your timing and control. To progress, gradually increase your jump height and the speed of your tuck. Consistency is key. Practice regularly to build muscle memory and confidence. Once comfortable, you might try a slightly firmer, yet still soft, surface. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is important for any physical activity.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.